welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to give clear explanation about count function. Okay, in count function we have 5 tabs. Each tab it has specific style. So here I'm going to show you the 5 tabs. This it equal to type count and tab button. Okay, here you can see the 5 tabs: count, count A, count blank, count if, and count IFS. Okay, first I'm taking the count. So the count function in Excel counts the number of cells within a specified range that contains numeric value and return the count as a result. So I'm just taking the ranges. I'm selecting these 5 cells, close bracket, enter. Here you can see it reads only numeric value. Okay, now I'm taking count A. Okay, the count A function is used to count the number of cells in a range that are not empty. It stands for count all or count non-empty cells. Okay, selecting the 5 cells again, close bracket, enter. It reads everything apart from blank. Okay, now I'm taking count blank. So how it works: the count blank is used to count the number of empty cells within a specified range. So 5 cells, sorry, just missed the formula here. Type count blank, select the range and close bracket, enter. See, it counts only blanks. Now coming to count if. The count if function is used to count the number of cells within a range that meet a specific criteria or condition. Okay, equal to count if. Here we have some cells. I just selected all the cells. I just want to find the how many apples are there in this specific range, how many cells are there. Okay, that is criteria. So I'm just selecting apples, close bracket, enter. See, in these cells I can find 4 cells as apples. Okay, this is about count if function. And next, coming to the count IFS. Count IFS. The count IFS function is used to count the number of cells that meet multiple criteria. It allows you specify multiple conditions and counts the number of cells that satisfy all the conditions. So as I said in previous video, that is sum if and sum if, it's same like sum if function. So we are using same. If there is a 2 conditions, here we have 2 conditions, Hyderabad and apples, so we have to use IFS. If it is single condition, we have to use like if function, count if. Okay, in these 2 conditions you can select any one first. Okay, I'm just taking branch as the first condition. Okay, so what we have to find, which branch? Hyderabad. So select the Hyderabad, comma, in sales the second condition. And what is the criteria for second condition? Apples. Select the apples, comma, and we take the amount, comma, and what's the criteria? Greater than 500 we should find. Double quote, greater than 500, double quote, close, enter. See, we have only one. So one apple for Hyderabad greater than 500, that is 700. Okay, and here we have 50. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family members. Thank you, guys. And one more thing, keep supporting like that. I'm just getting used support from you. Thanks for that. And if you have any doubts, kindly comment in the comment section. Thank you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my